Hey, what's going on, everyone? Today's the 22nd of November, 2022. Going to talk about Coinbase. Since it's connected to the FTX debacle, meaning it's in the cryptocurrency market arena. So I wanted to come in and talk about Coinbase because I am not looking for Coinbase to go up. I think that the market is kind of letting us know that Coinbase is going to continue to fall in price and continue to make all-time lows. And we're going to talk about that today. You guys can already see that Coinbase is close to all-time lows already, which occurred on May the 12th, 2022. So let's talk about this real quick. I'm just going to look at the chart because the market is going to tell us precisely what it thinks. So look at this. I did a video on August the 5th. I didn't drop a price prediction, and you guys can tell following August the 5th though, I'm just going to simply extend this line that I created. You all can see that problems occurred into the market for the buyers as Coinbase tried to move higher. This is resistance right there around $80, and the market completely broke here. So the current direction in Coinbase is a downtrend. We're in a downtrend into the market in Coinbase. This market emphatically is not a buy right now. It's not. So as I transition over to a weekly chart, let me show you that we need to see buyers come into the market right now. It has to come in just like they did back in May. The buyers came in and stepped in right there at the low of $40.83. The market yesterday closed at $41.23. So let's look at this on a weekly chart first to see if it's going to hold. We need to see market hold here. So let's go ahead and create this. And we're just going to look at this on a probabilistic basis. Let's try to figure out, is there a 25% chance, 75% chance that the market's going to hold here? What do you think? Because in actuality, that is how we predict prices. We have to look at this on a probable basis on which way price is going to move. So let's look at this on the weekly chart first, okay? Now, you guys can see right here, this weekly price bar is what I term a probable precursor of strength, meaning that the following weekly price should have gone higher. If it would have done that, then I would have told us that buyers in fact did come in here on this weekly price bar, right? But take a look. It didn't happen. 2 weeks. This is even worse. Look at this 2 weekly price bar in Coinbase. You want to see strength at areas of support. So from a weekly chart, we're not seeing strength down here at $41. On a 2 weekly chart, we're not seeing strength down here neither. Okay, maybe we might see it on 3 weeks. No, we're not seeing it here on 3 weeks neither. So what I'm seeing here on the 3 weekly chart is that this area right here is resistance. So let's say that the market comes back to life in Coinbase, and let's say buyers do step in and hold price around $41.50 and price begins to go up. Well, we already know where resistance is going to be at. It's at 60. Okay, so these are the two areas that we are going to follow the market action in Coinbase. Now, monthly chart. Take a look. When you look at all of these monthly price bars in Coinbase, okay, as it's been trading down here at the lows, right? I want you all to kind of understand how the market is speaking to us. When you look at all of these monthly price bars, do any of these monthly price bars look bullish to you? If it does, then you would expect that buyers are down here buying Coinbase. But when I look at these monthly price bars here, it doesn't look bullish. It looks weak. It looked like the majority of these monthly price bars, the market was selling more than people were buying. So this is definitely emphatically weakness here from a monthly chart. Now we have our closest area of resistance around 60. $80 is even seen as resistance as well from a monthly perspective. So the market already is telling us how we need to be viewing Coinbase. During this $80 resistance area during the month of August, September, and October, that was opportunity for the buyers to break that to the upside, but they didn't do it. We fell down. So now any movement to the upside, 60 is going to be resistance for the buyers now. So it's stair stepping its way lower. You guys can see that. This is not hard. Look at this on the 3 months. Okay. 6 months. I will tell you right now, in the next month and 9 days, if Coinbase looks the way that this 6-month price bar looks right now, it will go to all-time lows. There's no doubt about it. I know the buyers won't come in and hold the market that long. So I'm looking for price in Coinbase to go down. Here it is on the 5-day chart. We got 8 hours and 35 minutes left. And again, the chart is telling us already. It's letting us know already what we need to be doing, or at least how you need to be thinking about Coinbase, because charts don't lie. So guess what we're going to do? We're going to look for Coinbase to go lower and make all-time lows. Now, there's a problem with that situation, though. The problem is we have no idea how low it's going to go, though. So as I do this price prediction, anywhere in the green will have to be TP. Okay, anywhere. So let's just extend it down 34%, since that is the resistance area that I have up here at top. So I'm just going to lower it down to 34%. And you guys can see that takes us to around 20, I would say $30 to like $27.50 or so. I can't put a support. I can't put a price target. Just anywhere within this arena will have to be support. Okay, so that's it. Hopefully I've shown you some things on the price chart that will show you how you need to be thinking. So on a probable basis, do you think Coinbase is going to hold $41.50? To me, I would say that chance is like maybe 15-20% chance that price can hold there. That's just me though. I want to know your thoughts. Do you think it's going to hold? If so, then you must be one of the buyers coming in and buying this stock here right now. But the market's been making lower lows. The market has gotten rejected at around $80. It's now going to show rejection or resistance at 60. We're not seeing any buyers, any price bars showing any strength coming in. I'm not looking for price to hold that. I'm not, but you may. Just let me know. Hit that like button. Should have been also subscribe here to the channel. This is very simplistic and easy. It doesn't take you looking at the fundamentals of Coinbase. Don't let people lead you astray. You don't have to look at articles. You don't have to look at acquisitions. You don't have to look at FTX in that situation. We look at the chart, because the people, the traders, the ones who are involved in this market in Coinbase would tell us exactly what they're trying to do. So don't get people to trick you into thinking that you need to do anything else. Make sure you maintain a profitability, and as always, trade different.